He says you can't eat well when you're on the road. This is my breakfast. I just cooked up some eggs, potatoes, bacon, and sprinkled a little cheese with some coffee. And you gotta have some Cholula. Good morning, everyone. Just woke up, had a nice breakfast. I'm here at the Spirit Mountain Casino. They have a section for RVs, and you can see it's pretty busy. This is Sunday morning, and security can stay up here up to 3 nights. Security is actually giving this guy a jump over there. I guess his battery's dead, so he's giving him a jump. So it's a great place to stay. And I have this corner here. It's pretty cool. There's a little dog park area right over here. Look at this tree. Pretty awesome. Also, there's right back here, there's some, I think these are blackberries. I don't know if these are mushrooms. It looks like there's a little creek that runs behind here. I got here yesterday after I drove up from Junction City. I'm gonna be going towards the coast, but I'm gonna stay here. I was only gonna stay here for one night, but I'm really liking it here. I had a good night's sleep, and it's very peaceful, so I'm going to stay one more night. You can stay up to 3 nights for free. So, and I did go and had dinner in the casino. It was very good. And the grounds here are really nice. So there's another, they're leaving. So the casino is right over there. They have a shuttle that drives into this parking lot, but it's within walking distance. There's a little walking trail. Yeah, I'm just here, just passing through.
Nice. Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go to the coast.
Yep.
And then going to check out a couple other places. I have a couple festivals that I'm going to be attending. So it's very cool, very nice here.
There's a beautiful coastline over by Pacific City. Has this huge rock out in the ocean. It's just pretty magnificent.
How far is that from here?
30 miles.
Oh, okay. I'm going to be heading over there tomorrow.
Well, you don't want to go south. You want to go pretty much due west.
Yeah, I'm going to go west and then north.
Oh, well then you're going to go, well, just follow the signs to Pacific City and you'll see it. And there's this huge rock out there. And you can park there. There's a big parking lot. It's very, very popular.
Now, the key to having fun here and staying for free, see the stop sign next to the entrance, is not gambling at the casino. There's a hotel here and lovely grounds, and I enjoy the restaurants, but I learned my lessons from the first 2 places that I stopped at, is not to gamble. It's okay to sign up for the rewards program and partake in that, but you gotta have discipline. If you don't, casino camping is not for you.
went for a good walk, and going back to the RV now. This is the RV lot. The casino behind me. You see over here, there's some like a junkyard or something. Pretty cool cars from the 30s and 40s. Well, yeah, I highly recommend this place for anyone that wants to stop over and enjoy some free camping in a secure, well manicured lot. There's my van over there. Nice little shaded area. Even though there's not a lot of sun today, but I still get a little bit of solar on the panels here. And this is the rest of the lot. A lot of Class A's on this side.